Hey yo, what is up people? Hope you guys are having a fantastic day and welcome back to Beginner's Guide YouTube channel. It's me Richie Kevin, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can switch to Coinbase Pro. Alright, so it's pretty simple to switch to Coinbase Pro, but now most people think that if you guys have a regular Coinbase account you can get a Coinbase Pro account as well. Basically they think that they can convert their regular Coinbase account into a Pro account. Well, that's not true. You need to create another Coinbase Pro account even though you have a regular Coinbase account. So let me explain it in deep. Alright, but before that I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys and I'll be right into the video. But before that, if you guys want to sign up into Coinbase, you guys can use our referral link in the description to get up to $10 bonus for free. So basically most people think if they have a regular Coinbase account like this, then they can get Coinbase Pro, because they can click on a button and change a regular Coinbase into Coinbase Pro, just like in Binance. Well, in Binance it works like that, but in Coinbase it doesn't work like that. If you guys are confused, then basically if you guys have a Coinbase account over here like this, a regular Coinbase, and if you guys want to get a Coinbase Pro account, then basically you need to sign up for Coinbase Pro separately. You can't convert your regular Coinbase account into a Pro account. Coinbase regular and Coinbase Pro is two different things. Just the fee thing is different. Alright, it is owned by the same company, Coinbase, but you need to create a separate Coinbase Pro account and a separate regular account. So how to create a Coinbase Pro account is basically go over here, Coinbase Pro sign up. Once you search for it, you want to click on where it says Coinbase Pro. It's going to take you to procoinbase.com, which is the official website of Coinbase Pro. Once you're over here, it's going to take you to its page. Wait for some time. Now once you come over here, basically it's like Coinbase account creation page. It says by Coinbase Pro. Once you're over here, you want to click on where it says create an account. Once you click on create an account, you can literally enter your first name, last name, your email address, your password, and after entering that, you want to click on this I'm over 18 and click on create an account. Basically after doing that, you guys can sign up into Coinbase Pro. So that's basically how you guys can create a Coinbase Pro account. So hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys were, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And yeah, if you guys want to sign up into Coinbase, then you guys can use our referral link in the description to get up to $10 bonus for signing up into Coinbase.